Weaving the tapestry of belonging. Why strong connections are the blue zone's secret weapon. Imagine a world where loneliness is a forgotten melody, where laughter echoes through sun-drenched plazas, and where hands reach out in a chorus of support. This isn't just a utopian dream, it's the vibrant reality of the blue zones, where strong social networks aren't just threads in the tapestry of life, they're the very fabric that makes it so rich and resilient. Forget the isolating hum of screens and the hollow echoes of empty streets. In these hidden enclaves, connection isn't a fleeting chime, it's a symphony of shared laughter, whispered secrets, and unwavering support. Family meals erupt in a cacophony of joy. Community gatherings pulsate with the rhythm of shared purpose, and religious ceremonies offer a sanctuary of shared faith. These aren't just social gatherings, they're potent remedies, weaving a web of emotional support that shields against stress, bolsters mental well-being, and whispers the sweet melody of belonging. But why is this vibrant tapestry of connection so crucial? Science, like a wise conductor, orchestrates the answer. Stress's silencing symphony. Imagine stress, that unwelcome guest, attempting to crash the party. But in the blue zones, it finds no foothold. Strong social connections, like a gentle lullaby, reduce stress, nature's silent killer. Studies have shown that close relationships can lower blood pressure, buffer against anxiety, and keep the body's stress response humming a peaceful tune. Mental health's uplifting chorus. Depression, that dark cloud, often casts a long shadow, but in the blue zones, it finds little purchase. Strong social networks, like a chorus of encouragement, improve mental health, reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that social connections can boost mood, promote positive thinking, and leave you feeling lighter than air. Physical activity's infectious beat, exercise, sometimes a solitary pursuit, becomes a vibrant party in the blue zones. Strong social connections, like a contagious dance craze, encourage physical activity. Whether it's strolling through olive groves with friends or tending gardens as a community, shared movement becomes a joyful celebration, keeping bodies strong and spirits soaring. Resourceful rhapsody. Life's challenges can feel like a complex melody, one we often struggle to play alone. But in the blue zones, strong social networks, like a symphony of support, offer access to resources. Information, advice, and practical help weave a safety net, ensuring no one faces life's challenges alone. So how can we weave this vibrant tapestry of connection into our own lives? Here are some notes to guide your melody. Nurture existing connections. Cherish your family and friends. Make time for regular calls, visits, and shared activities. Let them know they're valued, a vital note in the harmony of your life. Reach out to your community, volunteer your time, join a club or group, or simply strike up conversations with neighbors. Every new connection adds a thread to the tapestry of belonging. Embrace technology wisely. Use social media to connect, not isolate. Share meaningful content, engage in positive conversations, and remember, face-to-face interaction is still the most beautiful melody. Be a source of connection for others. Offer a listening ear, a helping hand, or a simple smile. You never know whose life you might touch with a single note of kindness. Remember, the blue zone tapestry of connection isn't about perfection. It's about celebrating the vibrant threads that bind us together. Every shared laugh, every helping hand, every moment of connection adds a note of joy, strength, and resilience to the symphony of your life. So, open your heart, reach out to others, and let the music of belonging guide you. You'll be surprised how much richer and more fulfilling life becomes when you weave yourself into the vibrant tapestry of human connection.